Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a white bloomer. Let's begin. So just before we get into today's video, I thought I'd give you a quick introduction into my new series. So the new series I'll be running on my channel will be a bread series, and this is going to be showing you how to make everything from the basic everyday white bloomer like today's recipe through to the more complex, and you'll see them evolve and basically get better and more flavourful as the series progresses. There will be some seasonal bits and pieces in there as well. I've been wanting to do a bread series on my channel for quite a while, but I've always put it off, not knowing if anybody would be interested or whether I'd be able to keep up with it. And for 2020 I do want to upload more to YouTube, and running a bread series would be perfect. I've already got all of the recipes planned for the year, so there are more than enough, and there may be some additional ones here and there. But you'll have to let me know in the comments down below whether this is something you're interested in, and if you are, leave me suggestions down below and I may be able to make them as well. Into a mixing bowl, you'll want to place your bread flour and the salt and give it all a good mix using a whisk just to combine the two together, as the salt will deactivate the yeast. You will then want to transfer that into your larger mixing bowl. I'm using my stand mixer bowl, and then you can go ahead and add in the white shortening, which is vegetable fat, along with the yeast. I'm using fresh yeast, and the water. So you'll want to start mixing on a low speed, working you up to a medium speed once the dough has started to form. Turn your speed up to medium and mix for 5 to 7 minutes, or until your dough is smooth, and it shouldn't be sticky at all. It should look like this and come away from the bowl cleanly. Don't forget to lightly oil the bowl that you're going to be placing the dough into proving. Now that your dough is done, you'll want to flour your surface with some of the bread flour and then just knead it until it's smooth and elasticated. It may not take that long if you've used a stand mixer, but if you're doing it by hand it may take a bit longer. You can then place this into your bowl, cover the bowl with cling film and a tea towel if you want to, and then set aside to prove until later on. So after about an hour, you'll want to flour your surface again and remove the dough from the bowl and knock it back. This is simply the process of removing the gases that have built up in the dough over the time of proving, and then you'll just want to knead it back into a smooth ball. Then you'll want to reshape it into like a log or a sausage. The way to get the perfect bloomer shape is to just rock the dough between your hands until you've got that shape, making sure that the seam is underneath. You can then place this onto a baking tray lined with some parchment paper, then cover with cling film and allow to prove. Now that it's proven, you can take the cling film off and score 7 cuts on top. Don't cut the scores too deeply, otherwise they will open too much while baking, then bake it off. So here is what the bloomer looks like once it's fully baked and cooled. I'm just cutting a few slices just to show you what the inside structure looks like, and as you can tell it's got the perfect texture, as the recipes that I'm using are the ones that I learnt at college and they're pretty much foolproof, which is perfect. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and any recommendations, leave them down below. I'm looking forward to bringing you more of this bread series. There'll be a mixture of sweet and savoury, but until next time, don't forget to check out the description for the link to the blog post and my TikTok and Instagram. All of that will be linked down below, so don't forget to go and check it out. Until next time, bye guys.